Oops, hiccup alert. But do you know why we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly twitches. This makes you take a quick, sudden breath. Hiccups can be caused by eating too fast, gulping soda, laughing too hard, or even getting startled. Basically, anything that surprises or irritates your diaphragm. That hic sound happens when your vocal cords snap shut after the diaphragm jerks, making the classic hiccup sound. Don't worry, hiccups are harmless and usually go away on their own. Try sipping water, holding your breath, or just laughing it off. Comment and subscribe for more science fun.